Hi guys, we are starting a new classes. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ we are going to start a new thing. Okay, coordinate geometry ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಿದೆ, ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್?
Hi, my name is Srinivas. Welcome to Raman Tutorials. So, today I am going to start the topic that is coordinate geometry. Okay? Coordinate geometry. Okay? So, coordinate geometry means in this we will take two types of accesses, that is one is x-axis, another one is y-axis. Okay, let us see how it will be. I will take two perpendicular lines. Okay, these are two perpendicular lines which intersect at one point. This point is called origin. Okay, and these two mutually perpendicular lines, these are perpendicular to each other, and these two mutually perpendicular lines are called x-axis and this one as y-axis respectively. Okay, so x-axis as well as y-axis, and the point of intersection is called origin. Okay, after that,
Sorry for interference.
Okay, so in this we will take this as XOY plane, this as XOY plane. Okay, and if I consider this as x dash, and if I consider this as y dash, then what about this will be x dash OY plane. Okay, and after that this one is also x dash O y dash plane, and this one is XO y dash plane. So the coordinate axis divides. Okay, right. Hi everybody, Mahalakshmi Desai, hello, and Ashwini Camera, that is hi. So I'm going to start this topic. See, once again, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here the point of intersection is called origin, right? These two axes divides the plane into four parts. Okay, this one is XOY plane, as well as this is x dash OY plane, and this is x dash OY dash plane, and this is XOY dash plane. Okay, right. And next, after this, how the point will be in this coordinate plane. Okay, I will see at once the point in the coordinate plane, how it will be. Suppose I will take x-axis and y-axis, and this is called origin, that is O. Okay, suppose P is a point in the plane which is at the distance, this distance is x. Okay, and the distance is y. Okay, that means distance from P to y-axis is x, distance from P to x-axis is y. Then we can write the point as P of x comma y. Okay, so Renuka, hello, right? See this P of x comma y, we can find the point like this, or we can represent the point like this. P of x comma y, the x comma y is the point in the two-dimensional plane, right? Here this x is called x coordinate and y is called y coordinate, or in another words we can say this x is called abscissa and this y is called ordinate. X is abscissa and y is ordinate. Okay, right. So this is representation of a point in the plane. After that, in xy plane, I have take once again x-axis as well as y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Suppose here we can observe this 1, 2. Suppose here we can take this is 1, 2. Then what about this point will be 2 comma 2, because the distance from here to here is 2 and here to here is 2. That's why this means 2 comma 2 ordered pair 2 comma 2 will be the point in the plane. Suppose if we take here, we can represent it as 1 comma 1. If you take here, you can represent it as 2 comma 1. So this is the representation of point in the plane. Okay, so ordered pair x comma y, here the first one is called x coordinate and the second one is called y coordinate, right? And already I told this is called abscissa and this is called ordinate, right? Next, this plane divides the space into 4 quadrants. These coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 quadrants. We can call it as quadrants. Quadrants means 4 parts. Okay, so this is called first quadrant and this is called second quadrant and this is called third quadrant and this is called fourth quadrant. Total 4 quadrants are there. Okay, so in this first quadrant, what the point will be, what the form of the point will be, means in this the value of x is greater than 0 and the value of y is greater than 0. Okay, that means the point will be in the form of ordered pair x comma y. In second quadrant, the point will be in the form of minus x comma y. Okay, that means here this is towards negative side x value and here y value is towards positive side. In third quadrant we will take it as ordered pair minus x comma minus y. Okay, so minus x comma minus y means x value is negative, y value is also negative, right? And next in fourth quadrant, how the point will be. So the point will be in fourth quadrant is ordered pair x comma minus y, because this is positive side and this is negative side. Okay, right. Now based on this, some of the questions will be asked. First question, uh, ordered pair 2 comma minus 3, that lies in which quadrant? First quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant? You can say the answer. Okay, ordered pair 2 comma minus 3, ordered pair 2 comma minus 3, where it lies, but nobody is saying. So it lies in this one, fourth quadrant, because here x is positive and y is negative. So upper Navre, that is correct, fourth quadrant is correct. Okay, so thank you, you are saying very much correct. So next I will ask one more question, where this point lies, minus 2 comma minus 4, where this point lies minus 2 comma minus 4, that lies in which quadrant? I think it is easy. This is minus x minus y form, hence it is in a third quadrant. Okay, now I am going to ask one more question where this point lies 2 comma 0. Where this point lies 2 comma 0 lies in which quadrant? Which quadrant? Tell me the answer. So I think third quadrant is wrong, Ashwini. Third quadrant is wrong for 2 comma 0. I think you are saying about this point minus 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 0 where it says Pooja Aure says 1, Renuka Aure says 1, but that is wrong. Pooja, one person said Pooja, that is correct. That is on x-axis. Okay, on x-axis is correct, not first quadrant. It does not lies on any quadrant. Okay, it lies on x-axis. Okay, it lies on x-axis. Okay, so I will represent like this: the point on x-axis, point on x-axis is of the form ordered pair x comma 0. Okay, here x is any real number. The point on x-axis will be ordered pair x comma 0, right? For example, 1 by 2 comma 0, this is also lies on x-axis. For example, minus 2 comma 0, this lies on x-axis. Okay, so all the points in this form lies on x-axis. Then the point on y-axis, the point on y-axis will be in the form of 0 comma y. Okay, so point on y-axis is in the form of 0 comma y, right? We can take number of examples, 0 comma 2. Okay, next 0 comma minus 1 by 2, right? In that way we can take number of examples. Okay, right. Next, what the origin will be? What the origin will be? 0 comma 0, we can denote with O. Origin is in the form of ordered pair 0 comma 0. We know about this. Okay, so next we will go to equations of x-axis afterwards. I will discuss in types of lines. Okay, Kavya Aure, I will discuss equation of x-axis in another place, right? Just now we are discussing about point in the plane, right? Next, after getting point in the plane, we are moving to one of the important distance between 2 points. Okay, distance between 2 points, it is most important, and based on this we will have plenty of questions. Okay, right. So distance between 2 points, suppose I will take x-axis as well as y-axis. Okay, so this is origin and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here distance between 2 points means I will take one point. That point is x1 comma y1 and another point is x2 comma y2. Okay, the distance between 2 points will be this one. Actually I don't want to say about proof, just we are going to see only the formula. Okay, of course the proof will comes based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, based on Pythagoras theorem we can get easily, but no need of proof at once. At here just we are seeing only the definition. Okay, right. So how can we denote the distance between 2 points? Distance between 2 points is PQ is equal to, we will denote with PQ, or we can say that mod PQ. How can we write the distance between 2 points? Under root of, okay, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is distance between 2 points. Okay, so here you can write these two, x1 x2 y1 y2 in any way, because square is there, that's why there is no problem. You can write in another form also. What is that form? Under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In this way also you can write, because square is there, then problem is nothing. Okay, this is about distance between 2 points. Okay, distance between 2 points we got, and now I am going to see one more condition. What is that condition? Distance between two, distance from a point x comma y to origin. What is the distance from the point to origin? Let us see. Is there anybody to say the distance from point to origin? Anybody? Let me do it once. I will substitute in this formula. What is that formula? Ordered pair x comma y as well as origin. Okay, so this will be the 2 points. Here the distance formula we know, the distance is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 whole square. We can take any one method, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, that is equal to, directly we can write it as x square plus y square under root. This is distance from the point to origin. Okay, this is the direct method. We can say that x square plus y square under root. I think that is correct. Upper now that is correct. Okay, so distance is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Next I am going to do one more condition. What is distance from point to point x comma y to x axis? Is there anybody to say the answer? Distance from the point x comma y to x axis. What will be the answer? Distance from the point x comma y to x axis. Let us see. I will draw the diagram. This will be the diagram. Distance from the point, this is the point. The point is x comma y, and x axis means I will take any point on x axis as x comma 0. I think nobody did. I need this distance. Okay, how can we do the distance? X comma y ordered pair as well as x comma 0 is the point. So distance is equal to under root of, distance between these two means x minus x whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, that is equal to under root of, its value is 0 plus under root of y square means, okay, let it be, its value is y square, right? Square root got cancel, but we can write it as the distance is mod y. Okay, why to mention mod y? Because distance should not be negative, distance should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so right, that is correct. So distance from x-axis is mod y. What is the distance from y-axis? Anybody? Distance from ordered pair x comma y to y-axis, how it will be? Y-axis, how much? I think clue is here. Distance from the point to x-axis is modulus of y. Then distance from the point to y-axis is what? What is distance? Okay, I'm going to write its answer is mod x. Okay, from y means x, from x means y. Okay, I think that is correct answer, mod x. Right, so many persons did correct answer. Nice one. Right, so in entrance exams, if the question is given, we can apply the condition directly. Okay, right. Next, so this is about distance from point to another point. Now I'm going to do one more. First of all, let us do some problems based on this. After that, I will go to one more property. Okay, now see this problem. Distance between ordered pair 5 comma 12 to origin. I think it is easy to do. Solution: distance from origin ordered pair 5 comma 12 to origin. What is 0 comma 0? Just now we have written the formula. What will be the answer? Anybody can try. Distance from origin, yes, we have the formula. D is equal to under root of x square plus y square, that is equal to under root of x square is nothing but 5 square plus y square is nothing but 12 square. Yes, that is correct. 13 is correct. So answer under root of 5 square is nothing but 25 plus 144, that is equal to under root of 144 plus 25 169. I think this is 13. Your answer is correct, exactly correct. 13 is correct. Right, if we go another problem, see this. Okay, what is the distance between the 2 points ordered pair 1 comma 3 and 5 comma 6? Okay, chalo, do it. Do the answer and reply. I'm waiting for your reply. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? So distance is equal to, directly we can write the formula. This is distance, not O, distance. Right, so x2 minus x1 whole square, that is nothing but 5. Somebody saying 5, is it is correct or not? Let us check. 5 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 5 minus 1 whole square is nothing but 4 square, 16 plus 6 minus 3, 3 square is nothing but 9. So 16 plus 9 is root 25, hence its answer will be 5. That is exactly correct answer. 5 is correct answer. Okay, I'm going to do, yes, Asha, that is correct, 5. Next, I'm going to give one more problem. What is distance between what is the distance from ordered pair -2 comma 3 to x-axis? What is the distance from the point ordered pair -2 comma 3 to x-axis? Here x-axis means I will take one point that is -2 comma 0. What will be the distance? Point on x-axis. Point on x-axis. What will be the distance from the point to the point on x-axis? Answer, anybody can say? Simple. We have the formula. What is distance from the point to point on x-axis? Point on x-axis. What is that point of on x-axis is x comma 0. How much the answer will be? Mod y d is equal to, here the answer is 3. This is correct answer. So mod y, here modulus of y value how much? 3. The answer will be 3. 3 is correct answer. Okay. Of course it may be negative, then we have to take a positive only. Okay. This is the way to find the solutions on the based of distance formula. Okay. Now I am going to do one more condition. What is that condition means? I will go to the space, right? This is the space we have. One more condition, right? That is section formula. Section formulae. Right. What is section formula? Okay. Section formula. Section is nothing but we have to divide. Okay. Dividing is called doing sectioning. Right. So now I'm going to say one condition. For example, this is the line. Okay. Here I will take 2 points. What are those 2 points? A of x1 comma y1, and I will extend this. This is a point B as x2 comma y2. Okay. Suppose one point is there. The point is P, which is dividing in the ratio m is to n. Yes, certainly we can say if there is any point. For example, I will write like this. Suppose from here to here 5 meters are there. Total 5 meters. Okay. From here to here 2 meters are there. Then what about this will be? From here to here 2 meters. This will be 3 meters. That means this point divides in the ratio 2 is to 3. Isn't it? 2 is to 3. Right? So like that one point is there. That point is dividing in the ratio m is to n internally. Internally, this is main condition. Okay. So suppose one point is P, which divides the line joining the points AB in the ratio m is to n internally. That divides in which ratio? That is AP ratio PB. Okay, that divides in the ratio AP ratio PB. Okay, internally, because the point is internally. Okay, and the point can be represented by like this: P of x comma y is equal to, I will write the point m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Next, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, so this is the way to represent the point which divides AB internally. Okay, right. Next, after this, suppose the point is externally. Externally means I will draw like this. Suppose this is A and this is B. Okay, and P is the point is here. Okay, which is external to AB. Okay, suppose it divides in the ratio m up to here and n up to here. Okay, if the P lies on extended line of AB, then we say that P divides externally. P divides externally. Okay, so the external point, same x1 y1 and b x2 y2, we will take the external point as P of x comma y is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Here my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Okay, so this is the point which divides externally. In which ratio it divides? Minus AP ratio PB, or we can say that AP ratio minus PB. Simple. Negative symbol indicates the point is external point. Okay, when the point is external point, we can identify easily. So here one of the important question comes. In bits, the answer will be in both the ways. AP ratio PB externally can be, that means it may be given in this way, or minus AP is to PB. So remember this, it is most important condition. So to confuse, the options will be given in this way. These two represents same answer. Minus AP is to PB means externally. Okay, okay, in exam how they are going to ask the question on this. Okay, I will give some examples. Based on that we can see which one is correct. Okay, so many plenty of examples are there. I will give some examples. AP is to PB externally, minus AP is to PB, both represents the same answer. Okay, right, don't get confused. This is external point, internal point. Now we are going to do one more condition, that is midpoint. I think you know very well about this midpoint formula. Okay, so midpoint formula, what is that? Same, I will take one line, real line, like that. Suppose A is the point x1 comma y1 and B is the point x2 comma y2 I have. I will take this point P is midpoint. Midpoint means exactly it divides in the ratio 1:1. Okay, and this point is always lies internally, so that's why I will substitute this 1 comma 1 in this first one. Okay, instead of m I will put 1, instead of n I will put 1. So what the answer we get? Midpoint as x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. This represents midpoint formula. Okay, so midpoint, this is easiest one, x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, I think you got this midpoint formula right. So based on this, plenty of questions will be there. For example, I will take one question. One circle is given. Okay, one circle is given. This is center. 2 comma 3 is the center, and I will take this as the diameter. Okay, suppose one end of diameter is given. One end of diameter is minus 1 comma 2. Then what will be the other end of diameter? This will be the question. Okay, so one end of diameter is given and we need to find other end of diameter. How can you find? Chalo, do the problem if anybody are interested. One end is given. How the answer we get? Okay, you do the problem, I will try to do the solution. So here this is diameter, means in a circle this is the largest chord, this is called diameter. Here this will be exactly midpoint of these two. Okay, right, I will take this point as A. A is minus 1 comma 2, and I don't know this point. I will take the point this as B of some x comma y. Okay, here this will be the midpoint, center will be the midpoint, right? So I will take this midpoint as P. Okay, right, so midpoint P. So Kavyare, that is 5 comma 4 you are saying. Let us check whether it is correct or not, right? Midpoint is, just to understand I am saying little bit of elaborately, so you can do direct steps also. Midpoint is ordered pair which one ordered pair? Midpoint is 2 comma 3, right? So we know midpoint formula. So midpoint P of 2 comma 3 is equal to, this is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. How can we apply x1 plus x2 upon 2, or we can say that 2 plus y by 2. Okay, now the ordered pairs, these two are equal. We can compare these two. By comparing these, what we get? So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4. So x is equal to 4 plus 1 5. I think this 5 is correct. Okay, now I am going for another one. what the another one will be? 2 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 3. So 2 plus y is equal to 3 to the 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2 will become 4. I think this is exact correct answer, right? So Kavya as well as Aparnaure, that is correct. Okay, next. So this is the way. Now we are going to do some more problems based on these. Okay, I will move to another page. Right, so we got the question. This is the question. The coordinates of the point. The coordinates of the points dividing the line segment joining two points internally in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay, internally in the ratio 2 is to 1 we need to find. Internally, I think you have the formula. Okay, what is that formula internally? First of all, what are given? Let us see. Ordered pair 1 comma 2 given, and ordered pair 4 comma 5 given, and the ratio is 2 is to 1. This is m is to n. Okay, so what the answer will be, you can check. Here this is x1 as well as y1, and this is x2 as well as y2, right? Internally, you know the formula, p is equal to, okay, I will write here mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, okay, as well as my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is the point, right? Now let us apply the condition mx2, 2 into x2 is nothing but 4 plus n, 1 into x1 1 divided by m plus n means 2 plus 1. Anybody did? Aparnaure, you are saying that 3 comma 4. Let us check. You are doing very fast. Let us check whether it is correct or not. So mx my2, m is nothing but 2 into y2 5 plus n, n is nothing but 1 into y1 is nothing but 2 divided by 2 plus 1. I will substitute. And next to Kavya, you are also saying 3 comma 4, right? I am going to check whether it is correct or not. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1, how much? 9 divided by 3. Next 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2, 12 divided by 3. So the answer is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So the answer will be ordered pair 3 comma 4. And of course Sukanya, you also said correct. So answer is 3 comma 4, right? Internally means you can use the formula. Nice. So in this way we can do some more problems. Okay, now I'm going to do one more problem. I think it is easy to you. What is that? Midpoint. What will be the midpoint of these two? Do it fastly. Midpoint formula, you know. What will be the midpoint formula? Okay, so you can apply midpoint formula. Solution. Midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is ordered pair 1 comma 2 and ordered pair 5 comma 8 given. So this is x1 as well as y1, x2, y2. So Kavya says 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. Let us check whether it is correct or not. So ordered pair 1 comma 2, 5 comma 8. So here midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so now I will substitute in the formula. What that will be 1 plus 5 divided by 2 as well as 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus 5 6 by 2, 2 plus 8 10 by 2. Okay, so answer is 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Yes, I think your answer is correct. The answer is ordered pair 3 comma 5. Okay, easy to do. So let us do one more problem based on this. Already we did internal point, no? Now I'm going to do external point. Okay, for example, A is the point 2 comma 6 and B is the point minus 4 comma 5. Okay, minus 4 comma 8 I will take. Okay, if the point P divides AB, if the point P divides AB, A comma B in ratio 2:3 externally, then what about P? This is the question. Point A is here, B is here, P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 externally. You can find P. What the point P? Try to do the problem. So externally, I am saying clearly, externally. Okay, so apply externally condition. You know the formula. What is formula? P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Okay, substitute in this, and then after that so Aparna says 14 comma 2. She says 14 comma 2. You can check whether it is correct or not. Okay, so in next class I will give some more problems, or we will discuss some more problems based on this, and after that we will go to the important topic, that is slope. Okay, slope, what will be the slope? After that what are the types of straight lines? Okay, everything we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you, thanks for joining. Kavya or Mahalakshmi Desai also says 14 comma 2. So many persons are saying 14 comma 2 ordered pair. So I think this will be the correct answer. Okay, in next class we will see some more problems. So thank you for watching, and please encourage in this way. We will discuss later. Thank you. Good night. 15 minutes.